The president knows about this, and that's why he says, I'm too old to be corrupt. I'm not going to steal your money, because he knew his relatives would steal the money for him. And that's exactly what's happening. He can go to a plush retirement because Ofori Atta and Gabi and everybody will look after him. Bumpty and Co will all look after him.
For aha Ghana SMTV like, comment, subscribe, turning on notification so that anytime video be this way, me post here or somebody can be a mouse wash.
Still president to say. President Kufuor is one who you are there when you're corrupt. Because when we say the bush for a bit via a beja padie at the amano. He further went on to mention names of Bogabidi, Ebo Ofori Atta, Ebo Bombed in the Kufuor to Miyake to direct. Ebo Mumi and sending say, Ombe via a dear amano. And nay, and you can say, capture. It is here no. Will somebody also be right to say, Upon away young, the Kufuor is 81. Also by retirement by maybe I feel with 70. Teams are mere also more years ahead. You need more money in retirement. More than Kufuor needs money now. It would do yes cabaret said by retirement no bet me a didn't enjoy. It was a bush of baby or Japadamawa. Ye casa some chewa. How would you feel? Honorable.
I believe in Dr. Bamia because digitalization it wouldn't allow you to do some of these things. There will be a because it is time bound. Send no crepa say to me a 45 document. The additional directors company it will be exposed.
Yeah,
it will be exposed. Now then idea will go into an agreement or whatever. Unto was in that moon no bia entin hwase na all of a said wako fa nkofo we could do momo CCTV wako saka o mofro hey I mean yan show Ghana for am say ti said they will be say yan ka say anka EMP take over EMP ni show yan the say Ghanaian owned entity obe take over nicely properly or the employment by my Ghanaians. Si kabetra Ghanaians for kotokum. Nyade. Now so go through the right procedure. Making sure say dear edawa mwakaka anase share mwatwa to so no. Ubedi so. And the idea kwese wuchichin nkofo se go obechi na waje omade. Enyefe kra. Just wakofo nkofo kwa ekogu premises of an entity
yes.
Without authorization. May I hand you over Pomawe? Hey, say they will be say, Anka Gabi pa and I say, Ofori Atta din
Ofori Atta.
Anke Yenya Swagana ho. Yenya Swagana ha. I just say, Bibi Abase no, this is one thing obi the Ofori Atta, obi the Ado. Nepotism.
Aye.
Nepotism. The way they're gonna for you and everybody is quiet. Well, see, I think tanks in ya, who's your low tanks.
Low tanks.
Low tanks.
1 liter.
1 liter. Obia pe the good food. Positions. So what do you expect? There are no think tanks again. State capture power say by force capture we, and nobody is talking about. It is sad. How can a company? I mean, they are turning it into a sole proprietorship.
Now, omu issue statement be ene, but AYÄKA ne be adase Mr. Santi. AYÄKA en pato fato so. Omu issue statement was say Azuma Ghana denies false reports of EMP takeover of Black Volta and Sankofa projects. Fato sa menkin kind. Waiting that to have. Was Azuma Resources Ghana Limited has today categorically denied reports claiming that Engineers and Planners EMP has completed the acquisition of Azuma Ghana and Upwest Resources Ghana and has taken control of the Black Volta and Sankofa gold projects. These reports are false, and without any legal basis, Azuma Ghana remains the lawful owner and operator of the projects. No shares have been transferred to EMP by Azuma Ghana upwards or their shareholders. Not only is this untrue, but as recently as Friday, EMP formally abandoned its claims against Azuma Ghana, a development widely reported in the Ghanaian media as paving the way for Azuma Ghana to commence development of the WA and Blackwater projects unimpeded. The Honorable Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Emmanuel Amakufibua, was internationally praised for resolving the Azuma EMP dispute and assuring investors at the Africa Down Under conference in Australia that Ghana remains a model of stability. Yet, within days, EMP has defied that resolution by forcibly seizing the mine without legal basis, directly undermine the minister's own words and casting significant doubt on Ghana's ability to guarantee the rule of law. If such a transfer had occurred, it will amount to an expropriation of private property. This would expose the government of Ghana to claims exceeding 1 billion Ghana cedis under both Ghanaian law and international treaties. It will also fundamentally undermine the message delivered by the Honorable Minister at Africa Down Under last week. Australia Perth. And Keka one. Eti Honorable, but we tell you so. Baby ya bedroom ye. Asem no omo de call court of arbitration London. But good Ghana ni masi.
Exactly.
President Mahama abrawo position. Wote ensem o keka ye adongo bacho bossa video kitikiti mama sisiye. Akala bacho bo mame just about 20 seconds. Ensem o kan say President Akufo-Addo kana bonten say wonye kromfo nuade because ni nua na busuafo be wiade aman. And they sasa wo ka che President Akufo-Addo no ye can the same thing e che wono John Mahama as president e be ni dana.
Gordon, you can't lie to power.
Yo.
Conflict of interest. The president knows about this, and that's why he says, I'm too old to be corrupt. I'm not going to steal your money, because he knew his relatives would steal the money for him. And that's exactly what's happening. He can go to a plush retirement because Ofori Atta and Gabi and everybody will look after him. Mabti and Co would all look after him. Really conflict of interest. The president knows about this. And that's why he says, I'm too old to be corrupt. I'm not going to steal your money, because he knew his relatives would steal the money for him. And that's exactly what's happening.
The president say, President Akufo-Addo say one won yade wonye corrupt because when him say na busuafo ebe via abeja pade e de amano. He further went on to mention names Obo Gabidin, Ebo Ofori Atta din, Ebo Bomti na Akufo-Addo miake to direct. Ebo momi ensendin say ombe via ade de amano. Enai ene ka say ye hu capture. It is here no. Will somebody also be right to say Upola we young, na Akufo-Addo is 81. Also back retirement by maybe I feel 70. Tims na me had also more years ahead. You need more money in retirement more than Akufo-Addo needs money now. It would do yes kabebre say be ya retirement no betimi edinwa enjoy. It was obusuafo be wie ojapade amawa. Ye kasa asem chewa. How would you feel? Honorable, and that one.
And na make no. You can't lie to power. You'll be exposed. And some trust some ning some be brom kai. Kana for and then they ebe. And tro na do I say. Sisi ahwe. Obi company. Na mo capture by force. Ko fo ko gu ho. Say ato. Mi wan so adi muntoye. Na mo forge document. Then to way Mr. President, respectfully, ask me Bisawa, what will you say? You have posed the question. Somebody is right to ask you the same question. I will be say, say what they will but won't call for a bit from no their show. How will you feel? I mean, a mama elevating politics in the kakra. it is about issues. It is not about lies. Yeah, ka adepoti pa NDC government about more opposition promising with me. The so-called 24 hours ne kosi sen. Ne kosu bisa. 24-hour economy ne kosi sen o tom. Mu implement na nkofo nye djuma na munja police fo ya mu hwihwi. What last me hu na MP moa we twa Abraham ye road wo amasan kwan isu. Yeah. Anadjubi no we kwatwa say the 24-hour policy have started.
Kwan na nadjo no.
Ai. Wa hwe. MP moa.
Anyway, we are dishonorable person.
I say the 24-hour economy have started. Where is the policy? Where is the policy?
And now we crossing wo ma akromu dana.
Where is the policy?
It nam about to nim say na ju 1 o'clock bus be 2 for Accra akotechi man. Aba bus be 2 for Accra kokumase.
Enya de foforo. Tama me MP no MC na na ju etu ye edwa because
of course
you who says a road and an intersection bi wo ho na say repair na ho na busy. We tell them Charlie adena mon twen na ju no moye and they do it. No we work with John Ocha with their better Facebook, social media say 24-hour economy have started. We really misread.
Hey, anyone else with you?
God no, asema make can say, oh, see ya na ebe. She say nyama bebre na sisi twa ukromfo, sisi amu kotena. Obi manso. And you are busy taking over somebody's company.